Wanna learn how to delete your Amino account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you're as well. Now, tap on this Me option on the bottom right corner. Tap on these three straight parallel lines on the top right corner. Tap on this account below Community Profiles. Tap on Delete Account on the bottom. You can see that it's a warning. But still, if you want to delete your account and you're confirm about it, tap on this blank white section just above delete account and then tap on this OK with the black background below. Now you need to enter your Amino password to remove your account. So do it just like this. Enter your current password. When you're done, tap on this next below. So you can see that you need to verify your account. For this, tap on this email verification below because this could include some of the security reasons. Now they have just sent a verification email to our email address. We need to go there and check it. I'm gonna do it. You can also do the same. So yes, I'm on the home page of my email address and there's a notification about the Team Amino itself. So I'm gonna tap on this Team Amino in the top and get the verification code. That's it. If I want to see it in a full screen, I need to tap on this image or tap on this link below. So that's the code. Make sure to be attentive and remember this particular code. Now go back and enter this particular code. Tap on it and then enter it. Now tap on next on the bottom. When you're done keeping it, tap on next below so you can see that it's being loaded. And yes, you've successfully deleted your Amino account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video is really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.